Thermal camera for phone. For orders, please check video description. This is the video you must watch if you want to buy this product. Please check video description. Warranty 1 year. Okay, now I share with you some picture about this product. Okay, this one is, and resolution, temperature minus 20 degree to 550 degree centigrade focal length. Okay, this is the video you must watch. Okay, 700 plus sold, 50% discount, actual price 558 US dollar. After 50% discount, this is the discount price, 279 US dollar. 146 reviews, ratings 4.8. and InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera for phone, infrared thermal imager, PCB circuit repair, industrial heating test, night vision. So now versatile applications, this all are sectors: electric heating, heater inspections, okay, biological sensing, car repair circuit. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description.